Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your Safari history on iOS 18. So let's get started. Now there's two different ways you can do it. First way you can do it is by opening up the Safari app itself. And once you open it up, you're going to click on this icon that looks like a book. So you're going to tap on it. From there on, it's going to open up to one of these menus, to the bookmark or the reading, or if you click right here, it's going to show you your history here. So you see that one with the clock for the history. We can go ahead and hit that clear option right here, and then we can select what time frame we want to clear. So if you want to clear all history, you select all history. If you wanted the last hour, today or yesterday, those are the options. And finally, there's an option if you want to close out all the tabs as well, you can select that. And if you did, you just simply click on clear history and it will be cleared. So if I tap on that icon, go to the history section, as you can see there's nothing over here as well. Now another way to clear your Safari history is by going into your setting on your iPhone and then scroll down to the section that says apps here, and then you're going to scroll down until you get to the Safari settings here, which is going to be under the S section. So tap on Safari and then go down a little bit further, and then you're going to see an option that says clear history and website data. So if you tap on that, a similar menu pops up as well, where you can go ahead and select the time frame, and then if you choose to clear out, just simply tap on clear, and once it's grayed out, that means your website history and the data has been cleared as well. So there are two different ways to clear history on your Safari on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.